Good morning, students. Welcome to today's class. Today I have taken example number 15. It is an example of continuous frequency distribution. Here you have to calculate Q1, D4 and P50. Etu continuous frequency distribution problem hoy. Tamane etu group frequency distribution, group data problem. Aru yat tumaluke Q level ebo Q1, D4 aru P50. So medianor जितो continuous frequency distribution जितो माने procedure median उलिवार तो एहे तीनटारो हे अकमान एके medianor निसिनाय होय. It is similar to median in case of continuous frequency distribution. So let's start the solution. I have already constructed the table. Here you have to calculate cumulative frequencies. I have written here classes and frequency that are given in the question. Now I have to find cumulative frequency. 10, 25, 50, 90, 125, 145 and 150. So this is your CF table and the total frequency will be 150. So first we will calculate the value of Q1 for Q1. In case of quartiles, we have to see the value of capital N by 4. In median, we see the value of n by 2. I mean median not capital N by 2 to uliai or median class to uliabo karne. Similarly, here also you have to find the Q1 class, D4 class and P50 class. It is similar to that of median. I mean median jeneke uliaislu teneke yat ami Q1, D4 or P50 class to uliai lobo lagibo. So, etia prothomote ami Q1 class to keneke hoy hetu sam soa. For Q1 class, you have to divide n by 4. N by 4. Not only n by 4, here it will be I n by 4. I will be this number. Since it is 1, so it will be 1 into 150 by 4. It means it is 37.5. So from this value we have to see cumulative frequency which is just greater than 37.5. So cumulative frequency just greater than 37.5 is 50, corresponding to the class 15 to 20. So your Q1 class will be 15 to 20. You have to write here cumulative frequency just greater than 37.5 is 50, corresponding to the class 15 to 20. Therefore Q1 class is 15 to 20. So your formula for quartile in case of group data is Qi equal to L plus I n by 4 minus capital F divided by small f into H. Here we have to find Q1. So I will write here Q1. Lower limit L is 15. I n by 4 is 37.5 and frequency will be, sorry, not frequency, capital F. Capital F will be, our Q1 class is this 15 to 20. Q1 class is our 15 to 20. So the value of capital F will be 25. And frequency of Q1 class is 25. And its interval is 5. So your value of Q1 will be 17.5. This is your value of Q1. Okay. if you have to calculate Q3, যদি তোমাকে Q3 উলিয়াব লাগে তেতিয়া কি কৰিব লাগিব ইয়াত 3 into n by 4 you have to multiply 3 with n 3 into n by 4 then 3 into 150 by 4 hobo jodi Q2 uliabo lage you have to multiply 2 with n 2 into n by 4 twice n by 4 hobo to tenege koribo laiba and then next d4 uliaute now I will show you how to calculate d4. For d4 we have to see here 4n by 10. Since it is 4 decile we have to multiply 4 with n 4 into 150 by 10 we are dividing it by 10 since it is decile so its value will be 60. Now you have to see the CF table. Value greater than 60, CF greater than 60 is 90, so your D4 class will be 20 to 25. CF greater than 4n by 10 is 90, therefore D4 class is 20 to 25. The formula for decile is L plus Jn by 10 minus capital F divided by small f into h. It is 4 decile. The value of L is 20. Jn by 10 down 4n by 10 or value whole 60. The value of capital F will be, we will see here from table, this is D4 class, the value of capital F will be 50. Frequency of the class is 40. H is 5. So from here you will get D4 as 21.25. So likewise similarly you have to calculate the value of P50. So for P50 we have to see 50n by 100. It means 50 into 150 by 100 is 75. So you have to now see the CF table. From this table you have to find the P50 class and after that you have to substitute the values in the formula. You have to calculate this by yourself. Find the P50 class by yourself. I will give it to you. I will just write here the general formula in case of percentile. Pk equal to L plus K n by 100 minus capital F divided by small f into h. So this is the formula for percentile. Find the value of P50. This is your classwork homework. Okay, so that's all for today.